Hello everyone, I'm Debbie. Hope you all had a good weekend and welcome to Monday's Assembly. I'm going to introduce Article 6, which is that every child has the right to life, survival and development. At Oscott Manor School, we support you with your physical, social, mental and emotional health. We help you with your physical health by providing different PE activities such as football, basketball, running, hopscotch and crazy golf. You all have the opportunity to also have a healthy breakfast and a healthy lunch within school. We encourage your social health by supporting your friendships within your bubbles, and you have time to interact with them at break time and lunch time. Staff also provide you with the opportunity to socialise with them and enjoy the interactions they have with all of you. Everyone at Oscott Manor School cares about you and wants to support your mental and emotional health, and we will all help you in whatever way we can. If you do want to talk to anyone, you can speak to your key worker and class staff. And there is also Kate and Linwin, who are our pastoral managers, myself, the communication coordinator, and Roy, the employability manager. If you want to talk to us, that's fine. You will explore this topic further in your Wednesday assemblies. Thank you everyone, take care of yourselves and have a good week.